Hello, and welcome to Backyard Adventures TV Drone Genesis. I am your host, Phil Scott, and today we are going to take a brief tour of Cuyamaca College here in San Diego County. Without further delay, here we go.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
So right now we are at 25 feet and climbing, 40 feet, about 50 feet now, about 60 feet, 70, 80, let's go to about 90 and stop. 91, about 92. We're going to rotate the drone around to the left. And you are looking at the playing fields over at Cuyamaca College. So let's go explore the playing fields first. We're going to go up about to about 105 feet. And there we go. Let's go up 110, 115. And here we go, 110 feet. So we're going to go full throttle forward. Everything looks good, so let's keep going forward over the field. It's a nice, beautiful, warm, clear, sunny summer day here in San Diego County, El Cajon specifically. And we're going to fly over the tennis courts. Again, we're at 110 feet. The feet's kind of jittery, but we're still doing all right. Let's veer off to the left. And this is the track here at Cuyamaca College. So let's pause over the tennis courts. We're going to pan to the left. Let's go up another 5 feet. So we're about 118, 119. And let's go slowly forward. And again, we're here at the track here at Cuyamaca College at 117 feet. Let's go to 120. And it's a beautiful day. And let's pan over to the left. Let's go forward. And let's stop for a minute. Let's rotate to the left so I can give you a clear view of the track. And we're going to go back to the left. Let's turn the gimbal down a little bit. Get it up. Okay. And let's go to the left. And we're going to fly over the campus now. So here we go. And again, it's a beautiful summer day. Getting kind of a broken feed, but just hang in here with me. Let's pan to the left. And here we go. Our feed's kind of breaking up there, but let's hang in here. Again, a beautiful summer day. Let's tilt the gimbal up. Let's pause. Let's hit 2x zoom. And look at the view here. You can see and let's tilt the camera up and let's look at the mountains. Look at that and the clouds. Look at those clouds over there. Wow. Beautiful. Okay, again, we're getting some breakage in our feed. Okay, so let's go back to 1x. That's 4x. Let's go back to 1x zoom. And we're going to head toward the parking area for the students and staff. So here we go. Again, we're at 120 feet. And here we go. Looks good. We're clearing everything, trees and all. Now keep in mind, I checked the airspace before I flew, and the airspace was clear and it was good to go. And this, if you notice, there are like solar panels. There's like, it's covered parking. Now, it didn't always used to be this way. Years ago, the parking was not covered. There was a lot more green space over the college, but it's still a beautiful campus. Okay. And we're going here about close to about 14 miles an hour. Let's slow down. Okay. Now we're going to pan to the right. Slowly. And I'm going to give you a front view, if you will, of the college. So there's the parking again. And then, wow, here we go. There is a front view of the college. This building was built probably within the last 25 years, that building. Well, I know for a fact it's been built within the last 25 years. Let's keep going forward back toward the school. And battery life is still good. I think that's the Communications and Media Arts building there. We're going to go off to the left here, over more parking, and our feed's a little jittery, but still good. Now, I believe this is the Student Services building that's up ahead. Now, I can remember, I'm going to tilt the camera down so you can see this. The area where you see the building right there, right smack in the middle of the screen, that area, that was just grass and trees. And that's a relatively recent addition to the campus. But it was just a beautiful, lush green campus, and it still is. But they had room to expand, so they've taken advantage of the room that they've had to expand. And that's exactly what the district did. So let's go forward. Again, jittery on the FPV feed here, but we're still doing all right. So let's tilt the gimbal down. Again, beautiful day. Tilt it up. And you can see other additions to the campus as well. 121 feet, about almost 1,300 feet away. And you can see even more additions to what was the original campus here at Cuyamaca College. Now, of the two colleges in the district, Grossmont and Cuyamaca College, Cuyamaca is the younger of the colleges. And you can see, again, there's still a pretty good amount of trees here on the campus. So we're panning around. That's the library here. Okay, let's go toward the library. And let's look down here. That's a beautiful scenic look here at the library. I believe that's the library. Let me pan over. Okay, let's zoom in on that. Zoom, zoom, zoom. LRC, Learning Resource Center, which includes the library. All right, okay. Let's go. And again, a nice, beautiful view there up above LRC. Okay, we're going to go back to one-time zoom. Oh, jump to 2. Let's go back to 1. That's 4. Back to 1. We've got kind of a delay, folks. Stay with me. Back to 1. All right, we're going to pan to the right. Again, we've got a delay in the FPV feed. And again, there's the rear side of the Communication Arts Building, I believe. And let's do a 360. Let's turn that camera up and so you can get a sense of the view here. It's beautiful. And again, look at the clouds in the background. Let's go a little bit further up at the camera view. Nice. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn around here for a second. I'm going to change it to photo mode. And I'm going to take some pictures. Dang. See if I can take another picture. There we go. Let's pan to the right again. Another beautiful view of the campus. And let's go further out because I'm going to be bringing it back pretty soon here. So let's pan again to the left and see if we can get that building there. It looks nice. And let's go over to the LRC. Let's pan down a bit. Let's do that. Oh, that looks good. Okay, let's pan over again to the left. Again, delay in the feed. I apologize for that. And let's go back over one more time. Okay, let's go backwards now. We've got about 49%, 48% on the battery. Pretty good. And let's see, I want to get that money view, if you want to call it that, of the front of the campus. Again, we've got a jittery FPV feed, but we're making do. Okay, we're going back. Let's pan to the left. Go back some more. And whoops. Okay. It's real jittery. Again, I apologize for that. The signal's kind of breaking up, and this is the view that I wanted right here. So let's get some pictures of this. Yes. And then let's go back toward the right. We're going to go back, and I want to get the Communication Arts Building. If I can. Let's see, let's rotate. There we go. There we go. Let's go back again. And we're going to go, now we're going to go to the right here, and I want to get right in front of the building. Do kind of a manual kind of orbit here. Kind of semi-orbit. Okay. I'm going to go straight to the right again. And back a little bit and tilt that camera up. money shot. Here we go. Okay, so now we're going to complete by going back over to the track. So we're going to get a nice shot of the track. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Okay, let's go to the right. Just do kind of a... Here we go. Let's go forward. And I want to get the track fully in frame if I can. Tilt that camera up. Okay, let's stop right there. Let's get up about 10 feet. Let's go to 135, so that's about 15 extra feet. Okay, we're gonna go to the left. Actually, excuse me, to the right, where the tennis courts are. And we're gonna angle the drone so we can get both the track and the tennis courts. There we go. Let's turn it. Here we go. Let's hit 2 times zoom. Okay, that's too close. Okay, let's go backwards. Do some. Okay, all right, let's head on back. So we're gonna come in for landing pretty soon. We're at 30%. Again, we're flying back over the playing field here. Well used, I must say. Very nice. Nice, beautiful day. And we're gonna hot foot it back a little faster. And let's bring her in for a landing. Let's do a return to home if we can.
Return to home.
Okay, I hear it. It's very close. All right. Okay.
Landing.
It's coming on down. Very good. And here we go. All right. A successful flight. All right, everyone. So it's kind of windy out here, so let me jump back in and finish this up. Thanks so much for going on this beautiful tour of Cuyamaca College. And thank you so much for watching this episode. If you liked this content, please like and subscribe to the Backyard Adventures TV Drone Genesis YouTube channel. So with that, everyone have an awesome day, and we'll see you again soon.